Hey everyone, what if you could earn fees on every single trade that happens on PumpSwap? All you need to do is provide liquidity. In this video, I'll show you how to add and remove LP using Jumpbit. So what happens when a pool has thin liquidity? Traders get hit with massive slippage. They see an empty chart on DexScreener and move on. No depth means no trades. And no trades means the token is invisible. That's where Jumpbit comes in. The liquidity tool lets you add LP, remove LP, or auto-detect your existing positions, all direct on-chain from your own wallet. 4 steps to manage liquidity. 1. Connect your wallet. 2. Paste the mint address. 3. Set your amounts. 4. Sign it. That's it. In this walkthrough, I'll cover adding liquidity, removing it, partial or full, setting the right ratio and slippage, and a few pro tips on how much to add. Let me show you now. Connect your wallet if you haven't already. On the left sidebar, under pump.fun AM, click on Liquidity Tool. You'll see 3 options: create pool, add liquidity, and remove liquidity. In this video, we're covering add liquidity and remove. Let's head over to DexScreener and find a token we want to provide liquidity for. Let's add liquidity for this maxing token. Make sure you already hold the token you want to supply liquidity for. If you don't have it yet, buy some first before moving on. As you can see, we already have 6.4 maxing tokens in our wallet. Now let's copy the maxing mint address. Let's paste the mint address here. It'll load all the available pools for maxing. Just select the pool you want to supply liquidity to. Here, multiple pools are there. Let's confirm the pool. Here we want liquidity in maxing. Sol. Enter the amount of tokens you want to add to the pool. Once you select the pool, it'll automatically calculate the quote token amount for you. Now confirm the details and hit Add Liquidity. It'll ask for confirmation in your connected wallet. And there we go. Transaction confirmed. Now let's check our liquidity transaction on DexScreener. Here's our liquidity add transaction, live on DexScreener. Now let's see how to remove liquidity. Head over to the Remove Liquidity tab. Copy the token mint address again and paste it into the Remove Liquidity tab. It's loading your existing liquidity positions for the selected token. Let's remove 25% of our liquidity. Keep the slippage tolerance as it is. Review the details and hit Remove Liquidity. And the transaction's confirmed. Let's check our current LP position. As you can see, our position has decreased after the removal. Let's check our remove liquidity transaction on DexScreener as well. You can also create your own pool from the Create Pool tab. We'll cover that in an upcoming video. Tool and other resource links are in the description. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.